The future of power, speed, and design has arrived. Introducing the HeavyBike 2026, a masterpiece built for those who dream beyond limits. Painted in bold red, this machine is not just a bike. It's a symbol of dominance on the road. From the very first look, the HeavyBike 2026 demands attention. The muscular frame, aerodynamic body, and wide, heavy-duty wheels make it look like a beast ready to conquer any road. Every curve, every line has been crafted with precision to deliver beauty and aggression in one powerful package. The deep red finish shines like fire under the sun, while the matte black details add an edge of toughness. Its thick alloy wheels give stability and strength, turning every ride into an experience of confidence and control. This bike doesn't just roll, it roars with presence. Under the hood lies a next-generation 2,000 cubic centimeter engine, engineered for unmatched performance. With lightning-fast acceleration, smooth gear shifts, and a top speed that will thrill any rider, the HeavyBike 2026 takes riding to another level. The advanced suspension system absorbs every bump, giving you complete comfort even on the toughest roads. Its racing exhaust system delivers a sound that echoes power, a sound every rider wants to hear. Trängselshorn. This is not just about raw power, it's also about smart riding. The HeavyBike 2026 comes equipped with a digital smart dashboard showing speed, fuel, GPS, and ride modes at a glance. LED headlights cut through the darkest nights, and smart braking technology ensures total safety even at high speeds. The seating has been designed for long-distance comfort. Whether you are riding solo or with a passenger, the ergonomic racing seat ensures relaxation during every journey. Dual ABS brakes, traction control, and stability assist give riders total confidence on highways, sharp turns, and city traffic alike. Owning the HeavyBike 2026 is not just about transportation, it's about a lifestyle. It is built for those who refuse to settle for average, for those who want to stand out, and for those who believe in power and passion. When you ride this bike, people don't just see you, they admire you. It's the machine that defines your personality. Strong, fast, fearless. This is the bike of tomorrow, designed for today. With its red-hot design, powerful engine, thick wheels, and futuristic technology, the HeavyBike 2026 is ready to lead the roads. The question is, are you ready to ride the future?